I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can convert your Google Docs onto PDF. Now, you don't have to search far and wide. For example, here I have a resume on my Google Docs here. If I go to File and I go to Download, you can see that there's already a to PDF converter here, right here. So if I click on Download, you can see it converted my resume into a PDF, and you can see that's it, right? When you type anything on Google Docs, it's gonna be something that's really dynamic, right? So when you download it like this, you can download it to anything like your docs, a OTT, RTF, and obviously PDF. You can even download this as just a plain text, a web page, an EPUB, and also a markdown, right? And this works with any docs. So for example, here if I have a letter here, for example, here, right? Let me load it up real quick. If I go to letter here, you can see it's a whole different format. But if I go to File, Download, PDF, you can see it downloaded. Oh, I think I pressed the wrong button there. There you go, PDF. And there you go. You can see letter PDF. There you go. As easy as that. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.